Let me remind you, this isn't just a web shop, it's a movement, a community of people choosing purity and natural care. By choosing Avora Nature, you're not only helping yourself, but also the planet, because sustainability and honest ingredients are the heart of what we do. So, what are you waiting for? Visit avoranature.com, explore our range, and start your journey to a healthier, glowing you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who are into natural products and cool merch.